Kinong kamay arshaka ki biju kamay da kabanya rapido po nang ba shalong ki bahapo ka shatri jong ka right to serve kila pensngo sa sarkar bakan itho no iki kum kinong kamay bapura lani banyo e ka permit kat kum hikendon an Habakrem na kilat matay ko bor menteri badai kmi katna transport jong ka sarkar jela umas nyaw bahalang dhar ula ang ko unsara ikani ka mat kami ikren cabinet la on itho iki kum kinong kamay kat kum kaan Habakali ka bamenta hatu kilong illegal ni eman kamay na makim don ka permit ka bapyang ula ong banakaliang jong u umnong la banong tat on dala I permit iki but on hab ko ka jingkmi jong ka transport department Laban kedoba ke sarkar Jelau snembla depling ba ke regional transport authority board lapen mi eko hukum ba omsha iki ba kamay deki arshaka katkum ka subsection 1 of section 66 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988
Not a problem. They just submit me a representation only. They request me to give them permit and that's what I will do. I will make them legal. As of now they are illegal.
Kini kiba kamay offline ko ito.
That's their duty. My duty is to give first the permit and document, and then I'll see if there is any complaint from the public. That is a normal process.
Kumulang ko dun ta kung stopyo kunong lugar.
No, that I have to pass in the cabinet. No, I have to pass. Okay, we'll make them register. We'll give them permit. Only then, what are the offline online? It's up to them only. Yeah, if it affects the people of the state and if somebody complains, I'll take action against that complaint.
Kaya action petition ka don di ba ujo.
Don't expect I'll take action. Hope things will be in order, everything.
Long kumabon nagipay ba wala uri kani ka yung overshot ka joki.
No problem. If I receive the complaint, I will call meeting. How I call meeting around the complaint.
Padahal I permit yaki ka kandan ka proper charge.
Yet to decide in the cabinets. There will be a proper table how to implement the fees.
Ka by charge ka.
Yes, we have to put the full transport. First we'll pass in the cabinet, we'll make them legal, and then we'll put the fees annually or whatever it may be, and then the process how to move in the city. So there is a guideline to guide them.
So ini nama kan kajing dawa jong ki kala den adu musim senam. Te ka bapen slam pat adu menta. Te nama kajing slam menta.
The first application I get today only. I don't know about the last one yet. Today is the first, and I'll get passed in the cabinet in a few days. Today is the first application I got. It may be 1-2 years, you are right, but no complaint how I'll take action as a minister.
Oh, he suggest kumna yaki as of now pat ba kimpat
I
legal.
don't suggest anything. Then we make them legal first, and then I will come with the rules and regulation.
So are they allowed to just go illegally and
That's why I won't allow. Frankly speaking, illegally I won't allow.
Kumulang ta isu ta kina.
That's why though I'm yet to study fast. Today the report came from them. I have to see the report from my department.
so now since it's not legalized can long be illegal can kamay be ye.
Don't worry.
So
The law will take action accordingly.
can beteng be ben kamay.
Don't worry. Since this thing come to my knowledge, we will do accordingly. What we should do from the government.
Terus